Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and this is Shari Nair. I hope you all are doing well. So I am back with a new recipe and it is a Maharashtrian style fish fry. So let's find out how to prepare it. So the ingredients that we need are of course a fish. So here the fish that I have used is sole fish, or in Hindi we call it as lepa. So I have some ingredients for green masala. So here are some chilli, ginger, garlic and coriander leaves. So here we have 1 teaspoon chili powder, some garguti masala, please find the recipe in the description box, some turmeric powder, hing, that is Asafoetida powder, and some Rava and rice powder, which will be used to coat the fish while frying. Let's start by making the green masala. Add all the ingredients and grind it to a coarse paste. So from this we can use 1 teaspoon for this fish fry and rest you can store it in the refrigerator for a week. So to make the paste here we have green masala, turmeric powder, chili powder, some hing powder and the garguti masala, or you can use any kind of Malwani masala or Kolhapuri masala of your choice. So here we will be adding some salt and add some water and make it to a paste. Now let's marinate each fish with this masala. Now let the fish rest for 30 minutes. Now let's mix the rice and the rava together. Add some salt and chili powder. So here I am going to add a little bit of garguti masala, which is completely optional. Once the fish is well rested, now let's take each fish and cover it in this mixture. Once the fish is coated in rava and rice mixture, let's heat the pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is heated, let's shallow fry the fish until it comes to a golden color. Basically, that gives an indication that the fish is nice, crispy and ready to eat. And here we have a delicious fish fry ready. This is worth a try. Do try it and let me know in comment box how did you find it. Until then, bye bye, take care, stay safe, have lots of good food and stay home safely. And I will be back with many more recipes. Bye bye.